welcome back to Cooking with Billy. So today, this might be the last time I cook, but I'm gonna make something called, oh yeah, it's a recipe that my family has used for a long time. It's called the Billy Special. Yeah, a lot of the boys in my family were named Billy. And yeah. So I'm gonna go make it. The ingredients are honey, granola bars, blueberries, uh, and salt. And now we just wait by turning on the stove. There we go. Oh, it's done. Let me just taste it. Mmm. Oh, that breath sound. It always makes that sound when it's done. Alright, I'm gonna go present it to the chef, but I gotta get prepared. So, yeah. What does Billy have in store for me? What is this? Oh, it's my special soup. This looks, disgusting. Sometimes I don't really fully trust you with this one. But last time I made you something good. I don't know if that was last time, but, yeah. Listen, this is the last time you'll be cooking me a meal, alright? I know. Alright. Oh, this is so good. What's in it? Oh, there's honey, blueberries. Wait, did you say honey? Yeah. Oh no. Not only am I allergic to mustard, but I'm also allergic to honey. What? I didn't know that. I'm gonna go. But it's good. Good job. Oh, this may have been the last time I was done cooking. I was stopped cook. I kept cooking or something, but I really enjoyed it. And yeah. All right, I better get back home.